why. Wait, let me show you guys. This is so, oh, my phone was plugged in and I just like ripped it off. Good morning. It is fall in Florida. Well, technically it is 47 degrees out today. Can you believe that? I walked outside and it is cold. Like, at least for me, I've been living here for a couple months now, and when it gets a little breezy, I do get a little cold. I did hear that your blood gets thinner when you're in a warm environment for so long. I also ChatGPT'd it and it's true, so that might be the case. But I walked outside and it's freezing, but it's fall in Florida. We're gonna romanticize that today because honestly, I have not felt like, everybody has been talking about pumpkin this, peppermint that, like everything fall, and I just haven't felt like it's fall. Today I'm drinking a warm peppermint green tea. I have a lymphatic drainage appointment to go to today for massage because I have a photo test shoot later in Miami and I want to look snatched as possible, so I wanted to drain everything out of my body. She's going to do my face, my legs, everything. He looks skinny, 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 skinny. But anyways, I am gonna go do that. Then after that I have to go to Target. Let's go get detox from the body. I just got out of my massage. My tire pressure is low and I've never had to fill my tires before, so I'm gonna go to the gas station and hopefully I can do it myself. I asked ChatGPT, but we'll see. You guys, I tried doing it and I couldn't do it, so now I'm at a tire shop because I can't do it myself. Okay, I got all this at Target when I went to go look for some stuff, but I'm excited for later to make some pumpkin bread. Okay, I am ready. Natural hair. I just put a little bit of concealer around here, around my eyes, curl my lashes, put some brow gel. I'm wearing a black plain tank top. For right now, I'm wearing these flats, but I'm taking these heels with me, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Traffic. I woke up at 2:55 in the morning and I could not go back to bed. So I also had a booked heated Pilates class this morning at 6 in the morning. So I had my alarm set at 5. I stayed up until 5. So then I just got ready and left to my class. I came back, I ate breakfast, took my clothes off, showered, and laid in bed again and fell asleep. And it's 11 now, which is perfect timing actually. But I got a package. It is a Shein package, and honestly I don't care because I stain all my clothes at work, so why am I gonna buy expensive ass clothes that I'm gonna wear for work if I'm only gonna wear it to get bleach or toner on it? Second, I have a bad habit of only wearing my clothes like once or twice and then I don't touch them again. It's been a few days. I don't even remember where I left off last time. I think I did a haul, and then I had a Pilates class in the morning, and then I had work, and then I had a dance class at 9 p.m. So I just kind of had a crazy day. But I'm back today and we are gonna bake the pumpkin bread. So the other day that I went to Home Goods to buy the loaf pan, I forgot to buy mixing bowls. and a whisk, so I had to go back. I went yesterday actually, and I bought the rest of the stuff because I haven't baked since I moved, because I don't really eat bread anymore. So yeah, it's just been a lot. Also, I got the cutest candle. Did I say Marshalls or Home Goods? I don't know. I got this at Home Goods. It's Woodland Pine. But look at the little reindeer. It moves. Actually, I think I might light it because I am in a fall mood. Okay, I don't have actual vanilla, but I have this bourbon vanilla syrup from Trader Joe's. So I think I'm just gonna use this. Okay, I'm adding these Trader Joe's dark chocolate chips. They're no sugar added, gluten-free and dairy-free. I'm measuring with my heart. I dislike baking because of the mess it makes, if I'm being honest. Hey Siri, set timer 50 minutes. Not 15. I'm literally fighting with Siri every single day. 6:46, the bread should be done. And now I have to clean all this up, and I don't want to. In my defense, some of the stuff I just bought, like the other mixing bowls in this Tupperware, so whatever. This is the best Friday night ever. I have my healthy pumpkin bread. I'm watching this new show that was recommended to me called Hunting Wives on Netflix. It's a Friday night, 7 p.m. I'm gonna walk after this in sauna, but this is like the best Friday night I could have, and romanticizing fall in Florida is actually really fun, even though sometimes it doesn't feel like fall. But yeah, that is my night.